or leasing, renting out these cloth bags, which are made from material that is recycled. The project is supported by GIZ, CCP, and of course Amchi Poti. It is the first program of its kind in Goa, and it is being launched here in the Panjim market. Of course, it would not have been possible without the team of Amchi Poti that is headed by Ferdin. Ladies and gentlemen, it is nice to see so many dignitaries here as well. We have amongst us a gentleman who requires very little introduction. His name is Sagar Mole. I'd like to tell you a little bit about him. He has consented to be here amongst us to launch these wonderful bags, which are by, of course, Amchi Poti. Sagar Naik Mole was born in Ponda and has a Master's in Fine Arts from SN School of Fine Arts, University of Hyderabad. His Bachelor's in Fine Arts Painting was done at Goa College of Art, Goa University. Since 2019, his work has been showcased at various exhibitions pan-India, and he has participated in many local and national art and literature festivals. Mr. Sagar Mole has received numerous awards and conducted many exhibitions and camps. In 2024, he was presented the Ambassador of Humanity through Wishes and Blessings, Telugu. Ladies and gentlemen, can I ask you to put your hands together for Mr. Sagar Mole. I can see Sagar smiling, so that means he is accepting what I have said. Thank you very much, Sagar, and thank you for being present here today with us. Now, Sagar Mole has also been chosen to be the brand ambassador for a program called Swachh Survekshan, the world's largest urban sanitation and cleanliness survey. He is a wonderful gentleman, and the primary goal of this program is to encourage citizen participation and create awareness towards making our city, Panjim, cleaner and waste-free. The ambassador and flag bearer this time, of course, Mr. Sagar Mole. Thank you very much, Mr. Sagar, and we are now going to felicitate Mr. Sagar Mole and some of the dignitaries present. We have Mr. Sagar Mole, which we would like to felicitate first, please. Mr. Sagar Mole. And Mr. Ferdin will hand over a lovely plant as a sign of greenery, to promote greenery and a green environment. Thank you very much, Mr. Sagar Mole. Then we have the Mayor, Mr. Rohit Montserrat. Thank you very much. The CCP has been instrumental in spearheading this program, so thank you very much, Mr. Rohit. We now have Mr. Bento. Mr. Bento, please. Okay, we have the Deputy Mayor. Please, a round of applause for the Deputy Mayor as well. We have the CCP has been really great in helping this program. I forgot, let me mention that Bento is the market chairman. He has been really great in looking after a lot of our causes. So thank you, Mr. Bento. We now have Bento, who will receive Thank you, Mr. Bento. And we now have Municipal Engineer Grade 1. Thank you so much. We have some wonderful gentlemen over here. These gentlemen have all been part and parcel of making this event a successful one. Amchi Poti. Amchi Poti is all about my bag. So this program has been spearheaded by the team at Amchi Poti. I'd like to take a moment to mention Ferdin. I'd like these guys to mention their names. So we have Ferdin, and he says his name is Aditya. The team has been wonderful in getting people together to prepare these bags. Now these bags are not just going to be sold to the public. They are going to be rented. So which means that the bag that the customer receives will be for a small token amount of just 20 rupees. Now I understand that people don't really want to give out a certain amount of money for a bag. So what they have decided is that you can rent the bag for just 20 rupees. Now the bags have been made out of recyclable cloth material. Cloth material that has been donated, cloth material which has been given to us, and we have now made those bags. So these are environmentally friendly, no more plastic will be used. The bag is washable. It is a lifetime investment for you. You may think that you've given 20 rupees for a bag, but remember, if that bag is returned to us in whatever condition, no matter what state that bag is in, Amchi Poti team will return your 20 rupees to you. And should you want a replacement bag, we will give that to you as well, absolutely free, keeping your deposit of just 20 rupees for the lifetime of the bag. In this way, we will eradicate, we will remove plastic from Panjim market. We will make it green, we will make it environmentally friendly. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank the team at Amchi Poti for making this a wonderful initiative. Not to mention the CCP, all the team members of the CCP who have been instrumental in supporting this initiative. And lastly, of course, the team at GIZ. I'm not going to go into the name because it is a German company that has been instrumental in providing how many bags? 10,000 bags. So they have been instrumental in providing us with 10,000 bags, ladies and gentlemen. That is not a small figure. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like you, in a thunderous applause, to put your hands together for everyone that has been instrumental in making this a grand success. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. What we would like to do now is ask a gentleman to say a few words about this event, about his views, about what he thinks of this lovely initiative. I would like to call upon Mr. Sagar Mole to say a few words. Thank you, Sagar.
First of all, thank you for inviting me here. Any congratulations to please support the initiative. Also, next congratulations to the CCP and police and team.
Ule.
बहुत इनिशिएटिव्ह करतात स्पेशली मार्केट तोला कारण मार्केटान जेन्ना येता तेन्ना सगळे प्लास्टिकान सामान घेवन वयता सो हो एक बरो इनिशिएटिव्ह की कॉपऱ्यांनी बॅग घेवन सामान व्हरता आनी सगळ्यांक रिक्वेस्ट करता तेन्ना कोणी अशें तंबाखू जावं तें खाता तेय काडटा आनी खाता आनी सायडीन उडयता ते उडोवची न्ही आनी तुमची त्यो प्लास्टीक बॅग यूज जाता रस्त्यार सायडीन उडोवची न्ही आनी तेय बाटल्यो उडोवची न्ही हे तरेन अशे इव्हेंटाक तुमी सपोर्ट करता आनी म्हाका दिसता कॉन्फरन्स पयलीं भायर उडोवची पयलीं लोकांची तकलेन पयलीं कसो कर म्हणल्यार तो प्लास्टीक घेवपाचो न्ही आनी उडोवपाचो सो हे अशें काम करता तुमी म्हाका दिसता इको फ्रेंडली सपोर्ट करा आनी टिचराक देव बरें हांव स्पेशली स्टँडर्डाची कारण म्हाका ब्रँड एम्बेसेडर चूज केलो आनी म्हाजो पुरेपूर प्रयत्न केलो की इनिशिएटिव्हाक सपोर्ट करपाचो आनी जाता युथाकूय हेजे बद्दल सांगपाचें की आमी प्लास्टीक अवॉयड करून तेंकां आमकां हेल्थीचेर बरें उरतलें आनी आमकां लायफ करूंक देव बरें
Mr. Sagar Mulay, thank you for those wonderful words. Inspirational. That's all I can term this as. Wonderful words from Mr. Sagar Mulay. He is the brand ambassador for Panjim of Swachh Survekshan. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to officially launch the Amchi Poti kiosk here in the Panjim market. And for that, I'd like to call upon the Mayor, Mr. Rohit Munzarat, and Mr. Sagar Mulay. Gentlemen, please. This is a wonderful event. We have, of course, Rohit holding the knife. Anytime, Mr. Munzarat. A round of applause, please, for officially launching the kiosk here at Panjim Market. Thank you, gentlemen. What we are going to do now is we are going to do a small demonstration of how the process is going to work. Of course, the gentleman is already going to be sitting at the kiosk. He's going to have a number of bags that he can give away for a very small fee, refundable. So now we have a customer who has come and is about to rent a bag for just 20 rupees from the Amchi Poti kiosk. The gentleman at the counter is writing down the details, making a record of who has purchased the bag. And of course, if it is Mr. Rohit Munzarat, he might buy the entire kiosk.
What is that?
Thank you, Mr. Rohit. He is the first customer of Amchi Poti. Well done. So the process is actually very simple. It's not
Bento.
And we have yet another customer. We have Mr. Bento. A very simple process. And it takes hardly a minute and just 20 rupees. 20 rupees entitles you to rent the bag for lifetime. And when the bag is in a very sad state and is no longer usable, please do return it. Don't discard it anywhere. Thank you, Mr. Bento. So we have all these wonderful gentlemen from the CCP purchasing a bag from Amchi Poti. And as I said, the process is not difficult at all. The bag entitles you to a little bit of prestige because it has come from Amchi Poti. The team at Amchi Poti have done a wonderful job of preparing these bags. Wonderful. So the assistant has also received a bag. Congratulations, sir.
support for purchase. The plastic
So, ladies and gentlemen, the entire objective of Amchi Poti, the program itself, is to reduce the number of plastic bags that are given away in the Panjim market.
So under Swachh Survekshan, now single-use plastic is one of those things that is banned now. It's banned throughout the state and throughout many states. So now we've come up with, this thing called Amchi Poti. So what happens is basically for 20 rupees, anybody can rent one of our cloth bags. Now, part of what we're trying to do is also we have set up these RRR centers we have our normal MRF side, and we have one below the CCP. We're trying to expand that. So what we're doing is people who have all used clothes that are torn, that are not being thing, we basically can hand it over to these RRR centers, and from that we make bags out of this. Now, plastic bags are a huge problem now in the city and every other city in India that you go to also. Now, in a lot of our drains, you find a lot of single-use plastic that always clogs our drains. That leads to a lot of flooding. So this is one of the initiatives that we are instituting. Swachh Survekshan also, last year we had won the fastest moving city in India under national awards. So this year we're trying to break into the top 50 in India. Now, there's no reason Indo has to be number one. We're trying to catch up to all of those cities. So because of that, we're doing initiatives like this also.
Yeah, these poti will be on the rent.
Yeah, so basically it's for 20 rupees. You can take one of the bags, or it's basically a permanent rent. Okay, if the bag is ever torn or it's anything like that, you can come back, return the bag, and you will be handed over a brand new bag. Or if you don't want the bag anymore, you hand the bag and you take your 20 rupees bag. It's basically like a deposit. See, nowadays when you go to supermarkets, also a lot of people just carry their own handbag. So a lot of people now, we have to get into the habit of basically taking, like when I go to the supermarket or when anybody else goes to the market, yeah, each of us has our own bags with us also now, so we don't have to take plastic. So we're trying to inculcate that. We want to start in the market first because it's our property. So after this also, we want to be extremely strict when it comes to single-use plastic. So we want to provide people with an alternative also. So nobody should be like, you're taking away the plastic bag, but there's no alternative that you provide. So this is one of the alternatives that we provide.
Zero cost to the customer. That is
Yeah? Thank you. Bye.
जरा फोटो घ्या मला
फोटो घ्या. प्लास्टिक देने के लिए कस्टमर
Yes, done, sir.